Hey guys, welcome to our channel and thank you so much for showing so much love on our Maldives vlog. And for that video, we got so many comments on our budget for the trip, what was the cost of water villa, how we booked it, etc. So in this video, I'll answer all those questions and will also give you a tour of our water villa with swirl pool. But before I start, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it yet, and also don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon. And also follow us on Instagram. This is our handle, and I'll also add the link to our Insta page in the description. So let's start. To start with, if you're traveling to Maldives from India, you get a visa on arrival. You don't have to apply for a visa separately. Now talking about where to stay. So basically in Maldives, you generally have two main options for staying. One is water villa and the other one is beach villa. And there are variants in both the categories. You can choose whichever option works best for you depending on your budget and for how many days you're planning to stay. We stayed in water villa with jacuzzi, also called swirl pool, at Kandima Maldives for 3 nights, which was more than enough. These are different options Kandima offers and the prices for each category, including different options for beach and water villas. This is our aqua villa with swirl pool where we stayed for 3 nights. Many people also split their stay between water villa and beach villa, as water villas are generally expensive compared to beach villas. Also, one more thing I would like to add is that rather than staying for a week in an average resort, I'll recommend staying in a good resort like Kandima for 3 to 4 nights, which is more than enough and completely worth it. Our cost for this villa was around $700 per night, which is equivalent to around 50,000 Indian rupees per night. Also, we opted for full board option, which includes breakfast, lunch and dinner, for which we paid around $200 per night extra on top of the room price. Half board is generally included in the room price, which includes breakfast and dinner. Price actually depends on a lot of other factors as well. During peak season, prices are generally high because of traffic and demand. And if this property is off budget, there are other great properties as well in Maldives which you can explore. Apart from this, flight booking costs around 25,000 INR round trip per person, which you can do from Make My Trip, Go Ibibo, etc. And yes, snorkeling was included in the room price as well. Now talking about how to make the booking directly from website or through an agent. We made our bookings directly from Kandima's website, as we had some discount from our employer, but I'll suggest booking through an agent is better in terms of convenience, as they'll take care of any last minute changes and also in case you miss out anything. Additionally, agents provide you with deals as they have tie-ups with resorts like complimentary spas, dinner discounts, packages, etc. Also, I would like to talk about COVID restrictions for Maldives and how to plan your vacation during COVID. I just want to mention that this information is subject to change, so please double check it before you make the booking. So, if you are traveling from India, you have to take COVID test 96 hours before you board the flight from ICMR approved lab. And you have to upload the test results on Maldives immigration portal, after which a code will be generated which you need to show at the airport along with other basic details. Also, while returning back, you have to take COVID test, and in case if the test is positive, then you have to self-quarantine in Maldives at your own expense for at least 14 days. I'll add link to travel guidelines for Maldives in the description. So yeah, this is it for this video. I try to cover everything you asked in comments, including the budget of our trip, how to make booking, additional costs, do we need visa from India, how many days you should stay, water villa or beach villa, COVID restrictions, and how to plan your trip during COVID. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and it was helpful as well. Also, don't forget to check out our complete Maldives vlog. I'll add the link to the same in description. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram.